Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given quadrilateral ABCD in the XY plane. We're told if BC is parallel to AD, what is the value of R, where R is the y coordinate of point D. So if these two lines are parallel, then that means they have the same slope. So if we find the slope of BC, right, where we have 2 points, 0, 10 and 6, 0, we can take the slope is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So the change in y is 0 minus 10, and the change in x is 6 minus 0. 0 minus 10 is negative 10, 6 minus 0 is 6. Dividing both sides by 2 gives us negative 10 divided by 2 is a negative 5, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the slope of this line, or line segment rather, is negative 5/3. And since AD is parallel to that, its slope is also negative 5/3. So m is equal to the change in y over the change in x. We have, for this one, we have negative 3, 0, and 0, r. So the change in y is r minus 0. The change in x is 0 minus negative 3. The pen is not really working, it's okay. R minus 0 is r. 0 minus negative 3 is 0 plus 3, which is just 3. So r divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 5/3, because the slopes are the same. So we now have an equation for r. If we multiply both sides by 3, these cancel, we're left with r is equal to negative 5. This is going to be B as your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.